I'm Ian. I'm the founder of Golio, which is a platform that uses work to create portfolios for talent. It's simply joyous. People love it. It also drives outcomes. People take ownership because of the profile. Let's take 1 second to talk about how this impacts your business. So across the ad industry, everybody faces the same problem. They try to scope work, but all the time, everywhere, there's time overruns, there's late deliverables. But where's the issue? Your plans, they have all the right information, the who, the what, the when. The problem is the team engagement. You rely on your leaders to be heroes, and they simply do not have the bandwidth to think of every detail and to chase everyone every day. You need your team to fully commit. Every top leadership program, your Oxford, your Harvard, all the PhDs in behavioral science, they study this concept of individual ownership. The marketplaces provide very practical examples. eBay, Lyft, an Airbnb host has a profile that links to every booking. That means that host takes ownership of every piece of that client experience. Ownership is created by visibility, not by heroes. Software teams, they used to run like ad firms, but over the past 4 or 5 years, there's been a huge shift. Rather than a leader assigning work to the team, they stand in a circle, and in front of their peers, they publicly commit to deliverables and due dates. And then those commitments go up on a wall. Committing publicly and publicly tracking creates this peer pressure, peer recognition dynamic. So no more heroes, but roughly a 50% improvement in team productivity. Now, I was using this approach 5 years before Agile was even a thing. Using a simple whiteboard, I made clients more than $100 million. I just simply used peer pressure, peer recognition to make sure things got done. Now, you have a large organization. How can we prove this is a direction you want to go in? Well, the simplest pilot is dead simple. It involves one person. Rather than booking freelancers over the phone, you have a single resource manager log the next 5 or 10 freelancer bookings inside Golio. The tool, it invites the freelancer to create a profile and gives them credit for the work. This simple test will show you the day and night difference of public ownership, public recognition. Now, Golio, it was designed to be a full firm solution. It's designed around input from Taxi, Cosset, Ogilvy. It will house all your project plans, your bookings, all in one spot. Easy to manage, easy to track. And we're happy to build integrations so we can tie into your ERP. You will see internally huge performance gains. But here's the exciting story. Instead of simply using us, instead of being a customer, partner with us, work together. Let's use your bookings to celebrate your talent network. It's a huge story, a constant stream of good press. You're large enough, you can seed a talent network around the world. You could recommend, for example, a great hairstylist. Celebrating talent combined with seeding a marketplace of talent, well, this is the basis of explosive growth. So in 3 years from now, you still may compete with DDB for a client, but regardless of whether you win the work or not, your network of creatives could still produce the video spot. So celebrating talent, it's a massive story. The catch is, it's a story for the first big firm to do it. So I'd love to make it your story. Let's talk. Let's make this global. This is the URL. Here's my email. I'm excited. Cheers.